Hello there and welcome to the new topic, how to create Power BI stacked column chart. So the first question that arises, what is stacked column chart? And then why would you actually go and create the stacked column chart? So a stacked column chart, as the name suggests, you have a bar chart where you have the small stacks, which is nothing but your dimension values. So for example, you have the different products and you want to know for each product what sort of shipping that has been done over there. So shipping is present as a small stack for each product, where if let's say a shipping is by a high regular air and very low shipping is done by the delivery truck, then you are able to see very clearly how the shipping is being done for various different products. So whenever you have a scenario where your user is looking for an information from these two different perspectives, then you will going to use the stack bar chart. So let's see in Power BI how the stack bar chart really looks like, and then how we can create it from the scratch. So here is the bar chart or the stack bar chart that is present for each of the product, like the technology, the furniture and the office supply. And for this you have the different shipping modes, like I explained, the delivery truck, the express air or the regular air. So clearly the regular air is the one which is being used a lot in technology, whereas the over here if you see the delivery truck is being used a lot in the furniture. So this makes sense as well, also reveals interesting information as to if there will be a technology product, there is a high chance that you will going to use the regular air as compared to the furniture, which is going to use the delivery truck for making the delivery. Similarly here in case of office supplies is also very highly dependent on the regular air. That means most of your delivery within the business is happening with the help of the regular air, and you can look at the better deals or maybe negotiate the better rates, since your business depends on this a lot and probably you are giving more business. So this calls for some action once you get a visibility as to what shipping mode is really being used by your company and where you can have more advantage for making the negotiations. So this type of information is being revealed by the stack bar chart, where if you see furniture, a very small part, just $863,000, and express air is very less, 159, and delivery truck is being the highest one. So how we can create this chart, I will show you in just a minute. So what I'll do is first I will select this and delete it. I'll expand the visualization pane, and over here we have two options. The very first option is the horizontal stack bar chart, and the second option is this vertical stack bar chart. So let's create this vertical stack bar chart, and over here what we will going to take is the product category. So now the product category is selected. For legend, what we will going to take is the ship mode from here. So we have taken the ship mode, and finally we need to provide the values. So values will come from the sales. We can take any value, but sales is being the most useful one in this scenario. So I'll take the sales, and now if you see the same chart, the same stack chart is being created for us. So now we have a very clear idea as to how to create it and in which scenario you will going to produce this sort of a stack bar chart. But that's mainly what it is in a very simple stack bar chart. However, if you want, you can change the orientation. Like if you just click over here, you see this, your orientation is changed. And sometimes I feel that this comparison looks pretty nice, because now you have the dark blue color which is at the rightmost, and you can clearly compare in these three categories. Similarly, the lightest blue color is the leftmost. Then you can compare these three ones. So I find the horizontal way looks way much better for an eye for the comparison perspective. And my recommendation is also that if you have one single bar chart like this and you are creating a stack bar chart like this, then you will probably use the horizontal one. not only it helps comparing it, but it makes your dashboard look and feel pretty good because shows that the similar chart but with the different orientation. So that's about it, how you will going to create the bar chart, in what sort of a scenario and what sort of information it will going to reveal, and then how you can change the orientation from vertical to horizontal. Alright, so that's about it, and now I'll meet you in the next topic.